Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial is on this smoky eye look. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. To prime my eyes, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This is in the shade medium. I'm just going to apply it with a foundation brush all over my eye. The palette I'll be using today is the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to start off with this orangey shade here. I'm just going to pack it onto my crease. The brush I'm using is by, I believe I picked it up at Walmart. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pack it on in the inner corner and the outer corners of my eye. I'm picking up this Morphe E27 blending brush and I'm just blending in circular motions and making sure there are no harsh lines. Next shade is a brunette. I am going to apply it to my crease, the inner corners, and the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Then going back with the same E27 brush, I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of the orange shade and just blend everything out. I did go back a few times and picked up a little bit more of brunette and applied it onto my crease just because I wanted the shade to be a little bit darker. I'm using this NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Black Bean. I'm going to be using it as a base for my next shade. So I'm just going to apply it on my lid and just blend it out with my finger. Now I'm picking up a Wiz, and this is a flat brush. I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Now just using a little bit more of brunette, and I'm just going to blend it in with Wiz and just make sure there are no harsh lines because it is a dark shade, it's black, so you just want to make sure that there are no harsh lines and it's not creasing at all. So just go ahead and apply it and blend it out. For lashes, I'm using the Lash Kitty times OMG lashes, and these are in the style Workflow. I am going to curl my natural lashes first, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the falsies. For my waterline, I'll be applying this Italia Deluxe Blackcurrant eyeliner. Then I'm going to go in with Heat and just blend it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with Pure, and I'm going to be applying this to my tear duct. Then I just applied a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes, and that is it. That completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.